expect that there will be planted evidence inside the houses. So I told them that we'll just have to face that as well, because that is the template that they did with former Congressman Arnie Teves. It's exactly the same template.
Birth month this day is March 28, 1945. I was born in the province of Leyte in the Philippines.
Describe what happened. Arbitrary?
No, I don't want to be political. I don't want to be partisan. As an independent, ang role ko sabihin lang kung tama, anong mali at tama. So sa akin, mali na kukunin mo ang isang Pilipino based on a foreign warrant of arrest at isakay mo na lang sa aeroplano. And mali na you need to go and talk to his lawyers, at mali na hindi mo binigyan ng enough time. Tignan mo, lumabas yung sa Supreme Court na di ba? Na wala naman TRO.
Oh, yes.
So imagine if they waited to the next day at lumabas sa Supreme Court na walang TRO. Di ba? So at least half of the lawyers now would disagree with me. Di ba? I mean, they might disagree with me now, pero tingin ko lamang ako sa argument. Hindi nyo man lang hinintay eh. Di ba? Oh.
Implicated or parang isa kayo sa mga na responded doon sa ICC complaint. At sabi po ni Atty. Cristina Conti na baka posibleng isa kayo sa pwedeng ma-aresto.
Alam mo, sabi nga nila, yung the word na posible, no? Posible, posibleng hindi, posibleng nandun, no? Kasi last year pa nila sinasabi yan. And in fact, even during the Quadcom hearings, talagang sinasabi na nila yan. And until now, wala pa naman output or wala pa naman lumalabas, no? Of course, he's not even connected sa ICC. Remember, hindi naman siya spokesman ng ICC, no? Even the former Senator Trillanes, hindi naman sila spokesman ng ICC. So whatever they say is just their speculation, no? At kami naman, sabi ko,
Sa motorcade sa Davao City kaganingang buntag, kini ang isingit ang suporta alang kang former President Rodrigo Duterte